Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to rotate a picture on Android. So you have to simply open the gallery app on your device. So example like this picture, you have to click to edit button over the center below. So you have to click to edit button for rotation. So there is the on the first you have to click to rotate and you have to press for your rotate angle. You will like left right, which will you have to suit. So you will be select the angle and you have to save it. So this is gonna you have to rotate it the picture on Android. So this is how to rotate picture on Android. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.